won't believe this insane swag bag that I got. What? It's all thanks to Kunal Kushwaha. Well, if you are new into tech or in campus programs or just love cool perks, then this video is something you have to see. Where first, I will tell you every item I got in this amazing swag bag, and at the end, I will let you a secret by which you can get one for yourself too. It started in the month of September, where I had freshly finished my machine learning internship in NIST University, and after that I was actually actively looking for open roles that I could contribute to. My main interests at that time were, I guess, finance, payment, or maybe Android, so that I could gain some hands-on experience. And also I would not mind to contributing to large scale projects like open source projects, because I had some experience doing some contributions to it in the past, like Paradigm Cloud and Omniwave. So once I think where I had opened YouTube and I was just browsing something from the internet, I stumbled upon a video of Kunal Kushwaha where he had mentioned how you can be a trailblazer in tech. Well, the thumbnail was truly enticing. So I clicked on it and the video opened, and the video showed about C4GT, the Campus Leaders Program, and what it meant to be. For the first 2 minutes, I thought that this is just some another campus leader or campus ambassador program that I had been part of many since my first year of college. But as the video progressed, I got to know why it is more important than other programs. The first reason being that it is surrounded around the open source communities dedicated for the public infrastructure for the government. So basically it takes care for the DPI or digital public infrastructure, that is like Beam UPI or Covin, or even if you are in Bangalore, you would know about Namayatri, which is like an app for auto rickshaw built by the Union of Auto Rickshaw. So has a large scale impact, and millions and billions of people are actually affected by the changes we make, not unlike other programs. So I just wanted to also came into conclusion that I was good to apply for it, because it aligned with my vision for contributing to payment interfaces or finance apps, because I also wanted to have some experience in large scale projects and see my contributions making some real world changes. After exploring the story of how I got here, let's explore what I got now. So the first thing that I got now is this amazing t-shirt from C4GT, which is from Swiss military, and it has a minimalistic design at the front, but at the back it has a digital map of India engraved by the lines of Code for Govt Tech. We improve lives by coding. And the second swag that I would like to show you is this bag that I got from Code for Govt Tech of India. And then we have this amazing quote which says that if you are sad, just stop being sad and be awesome. And after which we will get this amazing diary which says the quote of how important our contribution to the lives of normal people are. Now let's move on to the next part of the swag that I got. The first swag that I got is from Code for Govt Tech, is in form of stickers, is the map of India with Code for Govt Tech's design on it. The next one is the stickers pack of why we mean as coders into the normal everyday lives of people. After that we get the again amazing swag of open sourcer, which highlights why open source contributors are not less than wizards, because they transform the lives of so many people by being extraordinary in terms of contribution and value. So this is not all that I got. The most important thing that I got was a personal letter from the Code for Govt Tech community, which highlights about why I matter to them and why open source community in NIST University that can be nurtured matters for the betterment of the people in everyday lives. I just want to share with you that what all ambassador program or internship or anything that you are doing, it doesn't matter, but just have the intention right behind it. So you have to have the intention of changing people's lives or impacting how a business or how a program organization operates. If you are being able to tap into that market of making a change, then I guess most of the other incentives follow you. So with that note, I would like to make you a challenge. This challenge for you is that you go now and select what open source communities you can contribute to. Most of them are there in the LFX websites, and after you cover them, just try to make an open source contribution, be it a good first issue or documentation change, but just try to make one and get started with it, so that next time when they give you an opportunity to stand on the platform of the world and be a campus leader for any university, you can become one, because you have that experience of working for large scale projects that benefit millions of people. Thank you.